Thomas with his head in the flowers. What are you doing, Thomas? What are you doing? Get your head out of the runner beans. Yeah, good boy. And there's Princess. Hello, Princess. Hello to Daddy. Hello. Hello. And here's the hanging baskets in the garden. Tomatoes over there. Tomatoes up there. And more tomatoes. Greenhouse. And mice. Hello, mice. Going to sit down nicely. Or are you going to eat more tomatoes? I'm just going to eat more tomatoes. Just sit down, puppy. Obedient as always. Ah, you're going to lay down there. You're doing a little video for Daddy. Say, hello, Daddy. Oh, you're missing him. Oh, he's not there though. No. He'll be back soon. Yeah. You're looking for him as well, Wombat. You're going to sit down and do a nice little video message. Say, hello, Daddy. Hello. Ah, good boy. Okay. Well, it's all from Pinky Palace at the moment. You go back inside now. Yes, nothing's changed. Still the same. Henry's in here somewhere. Where's Henry? There he is. There's Junior. Sleeping.